Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching your image to your screen. Pick a photo at least 1.5 times your display pixels so scaling stays sharp. Open an editor, set canvas to exact resolution, and lock aspect ratio. This preserves composition. Once done, crop with attention to focal points. Make sure important details don't sit under icons or taskbars. Save a copy as PNG or high-quality JPG, and keep the original untouched so you can revert or re-edit quickly. Now refine the image to read well behind desktop elements. Boost contrast slightly to separate foreground from icons, correct white balance so colors look natural, and apply gentle sharpening without creating halos. Once balanced, reduce noise selectively on flat areas and keep edges crisp. Make 2 exports, a compressed JPG at about 90 to 94% for single monitors, and a PNG if you need alpha or text overlays. Save both with descriptive names so you can swap quickly. Finally, apply the file in your operating system and select the correct scaling mode. Use fill or cover for full screen, center for exact pixels. Once applied, review with icons and open windows. If important details are hidden, recrop and reapply. For multiple monitors, export 1 image per screen at each monitor's native resolution rather than stretching one file. If you see blur or tile artifacts, re-export at native resolution and confirm file transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.